What's the most important thing? Well, for our customer, the quality requirements need to be carried over through a purchase order, because not knowing the requirements, we can't deliver the outcome. Yeah. You know what I mean? They've got to be clear up front, tell us what they want: material certificate, heat treatment, dimensional reports, world reports, welding to particular standards. So if they tell us all that up front, we then build our ITP to suit. That's correct. Set the order, and away we go. That's correct. And what's happened in the past? In the past, the purchase orders have been delivered to us, and we haven't actually had those requirements carry across to what goes into our manufacturing software package. And then 6 months later, they come back and they say, we need this report. They're unable to produce it because we didn't get it. Retrospectively, you can't produce quality. We produce quality documents. So our advice to customers is whatever requirements they want, stipulate them up front, either at the time of quoting or at the time of placing the purchase order. So we can get all our ITP set up and never have a problem. The requirement carries over from purchase order to delivery. That's it. You heard it from the man himself.